Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to yet another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial uncovers a song called Have You Ever Seen the Rain? It was written by John Fogerty for his band Creedence Clearwater Revival, or better known as CCR. Have You Ever Seen the Rain was released in January of 1971 and eventually peaked at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100. Now, we're going to perform the song, and then we're going to break it down and look at the chords and the chord progression. I'm going to use a backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So, if you want to learn a great CCR song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold, the rain is hard, and I know been that way for all the time. And forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know I can't stop. I'm walking. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Okay, let's take a couple of minutes and review the chords that you're going to need to know to get through my version of this classic song. First thing I want you to take note of is the fact that I use a capo on the first fret. Just keep that in mind. Now, let's have a closer look at the chords. There are 4 that you need to know. First one is an A minor. You're going to need to know an F chord. Now, there are a variety of ways that you can play an F chord that fits and works for this song. The 2 variations that I use are an F/C, and then in the chorus, I actually bar this chord. However you choose to play an F chord will work. You're going to need to know a C chord, or the variation that I use is a C add 9. And lastly, you're going to need to know a G major chord. That's that's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. So let's take a few minutes and look at both the verse and the chorus separately. We'll start with the verse. Okay, the verses. Very, very easy to play in this song. In fact, they only incorporate 2 out of the 4 chords that we just reviewed. Now, I'm going to put the charts up here as I play through it. Follow along. I know you'll catch on to it very, very quickly. The songs basically start, or the verses basically start, on the C chord. Here we go. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. And that's it. That's how you play the verse, and it just simply repeats over and over again, those 2 simple chords. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chorus. Okay, the chorus. It's a bit more complicated than the verse. It incorporates all 4 of the chords, and the transitions come at you fairly quickly. So again, follow along on the charts. We're going to go through it. The chorus basically starts on whatever your favorite version of the F chord is. For me, on the chorus, I use an F bar chord. Here we go. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? And that's the chorus. And there you have it. Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Written by John Fogerty. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.